Hi guys, I just want to ask you, do you really like DIYs? Don't you just love saving money and decorating your house with wonderful things from the Dollar Tree? I have this amazing DIY today for you. This is actually inspired by Hobby Lobby and their floral section. So stick around and I will show you how simple and easy it was to make these. They're cute, aren't they? I was inspired by Hobby Lobby, and they had this cactus in this really cool vase that they had, and it was really small. It wasn't very big. So I was like, oh, I just saw some really cool tea light candles that we can, candle holders that we can use. So I'm going to do my version of the Hobby Lobby one. I'll insert a picture here so you can see it. Theirs was gold. My house doesn't have gold in it, so it wouldn't have gone with mine. So I did do it silver. But I really love these. I think they are really cool. And I'm going to show you how I did it. I did take pictures step by step what I did, how I got the labels off, because they had labels everywhere on here. And then also I showed you pictures of me spray painting them outside, because I did spray paint them outside in my little spray box that I have. Okay, so we're going to start right now. So what you will actually need, you will need some glue sticks, hot glue gun, and you will need these from the Dollar Tree. Now these are all from the Dollar Tree. I'll insert a picture of the ones that we got from the Dollar Tree. For this particular one, I like this one. I thought it would really go very well with this. And then I did get this one. I thought that would look really cute and different, but I'm not sure. I might actually change it up and use one of these, or try to put two of them in like that. I'm not quite sure yet, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, let's begin this tutorial. So the first step of our project is to wash and remove the stickers. So a quick tip into getting off the stickers, I use my own homemade mix. This is baking soda and a little bit of salt, so it does come right off. See, no more sticker. That's simple, easy to do. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are in a well ventilated area. We are outside on my back porch. I have an old box, so I put them inside the old box because I don't want the wind to blow. Right now the wind is pretty good. So again, I have picked out this one, so I'm going to begin to spray paint. Okay guys, so all you need to do is really decide what you want to put in yours. I like this one. I think it goes well with the colors here. It's purple, but I also really do like this one. So I think these are the two that I will use. So the first thing that I am going to do, I was going to use this, but I'm not feeling that right now. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your little grass. And I know this makes a mess. This does make a mess, but I do pull it apart on the side. I'm pulling it apart on this side over here, so it's not going to get everywhere in there. Because you just need a little tiny bit. You don't even need that much. This project's actually not even going to take you that long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fill this in the center here. I have a new glue stick in. Actually, you can fill the whole thing while you're here, because you're going to be adding that moss. I'm going to put a little bit of the moss in on the sides, just a little, just to let it stick out just a little bit on the sides here. So I want it to show. I want you to be able to see it. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this and bloop right in there. Push it down. If you could see me, I'm sorry if I blocked you. Want to make sure I have enough in there. I mean, that is how simple this is. Simple, but it looks so elegant. It really looks. When I saw that, I was like, oh, we can so do that one. Okay, so here's the next one. This is the purple one. Again, you're just going to put glue, hot glue, all in here. It took longer to paint this whole thing. Now, I do just want just the bare minimum on the sides. You want a little bit of it sticking out, not much of it though sticking out. Okay, and then this one, for some reason, I have a feeling I'm gonna hold the bottom like that and just put a little at the bottom here. Turn it around, push it in, and that is how quick and easy this was. And don't they look elegant? They look so, so nice. So that is my DIY, all Dollar Tree products. I can't believe how fast it was to do this. It actually just took a lot longer to paint these than it did to make this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned. I am going to have more DIYs coming up. Do not forget to comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified of my future DIYs, my Dollar Tree hauls, my cooking videos, my vlogs. So thank you so much for stopping by, and like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Have an awesome day. Bye, guys.